In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give classes using Google Meet and everything you need to know before you start. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident about setting up your classes seamlessly. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Google Meet website. It's a straightforward process. Simply open up your favorite web browser and type in meet.google.com. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the Google Meet landing page. This is where all the magic begins. Next, look for the button labeled New Meeting. This button opens up the options for starting or scheduling a meeting, which is exactly what we're aiming to do. Click on it, and you're one step closer to setting up your class. Now, among the options that appear, you'll want to select Schedule in Google Calendar. This is an essential step as it allows you to plan your class at a convenient future date and time. By clicking this link, you'll be redirected to Google Calendar, where the details of your meeting can be fleshed out. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, now is your chance to create your meeting. Here, fill in the required fields. It's just like setting up any other event. Specify the title of your class, the date, and the time. It's crucial to ensure these details are correct as they're what your participants will rely on. Adding guests is the next crucial step. You wouldn't want to leave your students hanging without an invitation. There's a section marked for guests. Click there and you can enter the email addresses of each participant you intend to invite. Google Calendar will handle distribution by sending each invitee their own link to join the class. Once you have all your guests added and you've double checked the class details, the next step is to click Save. You'll find this button typically at the top of the page. When you click it, another prompt might appear asking you to confirm sending email invitations to your guests. Go ahead and confirm it. This will ensure everyone receives their invitation to join your virtual classroom. And there you have it, your class is successfully scheduled in Google Meet. Remember, once your class is live, you can use all of Google Meet's features to make your class engaging, like screen sharing, Q&A, and breakout rooms. So head over to Google Meet, schedule your class, and bring your educational sessions to life. Thank you for watching. See you next time.